Hello, good morning, warm welcome. It is time to decode the Economic Times newspaper. And today we're going to talk about the stock market and some of the stocks that have really gone down. So that's the conversation we're going to have today. And we're going to talk about 12 stocks that will come back up again very fast. So which means the fastest recovery in some 12 stocks. So that's the conversation for today. And before we begin, let's wait for our people to join and acknowledge their presence. Hey Ritu, good morning, warm welcome. How are you? Everybody who's around, start acknowledging. Hey Nidhi, good morning, warm welcome. Hi Gitanjali, hey Ashima. Good morning everyone. What a privilege having you. So beginning, okay, I'm beginning on the conversation around the stock market. Hi Shruti. So the headline is cyclical and high beta stocks may witness fastest recovery. So these stocks are expected to come back really fast. So start writing down the names because a lot of them are very financial strong companies. It's the State Bank of India, Axis Bank, HDFC, Ultratech, L&T, Hindalco, Coal India, Ashok Leyland, APL Apollo, Jindal Stainless, Phoenix Mills, Gujarat Fluorochemicals. So these are some 12 stocks that are being talked about in this article today. Hi Namita, hey Prema, good morning. So these stocks have really gone down is what the article is saying, okay, and they've gone down recently because of the Russia-Ukraine conflict. And ICICI Securities is saying that it is likely to see fastest recovery in case the tensions between the two countries subside. So if the tensions subside, it could be good news for the stock market because these are the stocks which will recover the fastest. So the names I've already shared. Some names which are not shared are Sapphire Foods, Green Panel. So I think all the other names I have shared. So Vinod Karki, who is equity strategist of ICICI Securities, he's in a report saying that from a demand perspective, domestic cyclicals connected to investment, credit and pent-up spending, such as industrials, banks, financial services, auto, discretionary consumption, and real estate are largely unrelated to the current geopolitical crisis. Hence, if the crisis recedes quickly, cyclical stocks which have corrected largely due to rise in systematic risk could see the fastest recovery. So it's expected, okay, it's likely that if the war subsides, then these stocks, especially the stocks which have been extremely volatile, they went down very fast, they're likely to come back really fast. So cyclical stocks have been outperformers in the months before the ongoing crisis, as investors are betting on companies that would benefit from economic recovery. In early phase of the pandemic in 2020, investors preferred defensive stocks, including pharmaceuticals, consumers and IT. We all know this, right? Remember that time where pharma, IT, consumers touched the skies? These are all defensive stocks that went up. And as of now, Nifty has declined nearly 6% so far this year. Nifty Auto, all the auto companies which are in the Nifty index have gone down 12%. And Nifty Bank has come down 10% during this year. So commodities have bucked the weak trend in cyclicals as the war between Russia and Ukraine and the economic sanctions on Moscow by Western powers have led to prices of oil and metals shooting up. So that's the conversation for today. Please start typing. What are you getting? What are you understanding? What are you learning from this entire thing? Hi Diksha, Mukta, Sonika, good morning. Warm welcome, guys. Okay, start typing. What are you guys getting? What are you guys understanding? What are you learning? Have you been investing in the stock market? If yes, then there's a lot for you to learn. Ritu? Okay, Nidhi, you're getting that this is the correction time. Yes, the correction time has happened. The stocks have gone down, absolutely. Ritu, the stock market is extremely volatile. Learn the art of picking good quality stocks, invest in them, and then relax. Do not time the market. Love that, Ritu. Great job. Gitanjali, you're getting confident about the stocks that you have from this list, SBI and Ultratech. Okay. Brilliant, brilliant. So you're getting more and more confidence, right? I like that. Awesome. Anything else? Anyone else? What are you getting? So you've learnt about defensive stocks a couple of months, years ago, and now today we're talking about the volatile stocks, also known as cyclical stocks, also known as high beta stocks. So some stocks which go down really fast and then come back really fast up. Hi Pratibha, good morning. So anything else, anyone? And there's, yet another interesting news in today's newspaper, which is on how the rising crude oil prices have impacted the infrastructure funding in the financial year 2023. So that's also another thing with the crude oil prices going up. Concerns of overfunding of infrastructure projects like road construction, water segments, they've been rising. And analysts are worried that the rising energy prices may force the government to reduce the spending. Yeah. Yes, Nishu, absolutely. Why not invest in the cyclical stocks or high beta stocks for long term? Absolutely, you do. I mean, of all the names that I've mentioned, many of them we've studied in our stock investors course. Many of the studies are in the community resource library. So just go for it, check them out, and who knows, you may further have the opportunity to build your portfolio. Nidhi, oh now I got beta stocks. I thought it was some category. No. It is exactly this volatility. Yes. Lower the beta, better the stock. Isn't that true? Yes, it is. At the same time, some stocks are really, really financially strong, and at the same time, they generate good returns. Yeah, they come back fast. They come back up fast, okay? Any effect on the auto sector? Where it's already affected, right? Auto sector is the most hit, right? Nifty auto, I think, went down by 12%. Yeah. So Nifty auto has gone down by 12% in this year. So yeah, there's already a big impact, Ritu, on the auto sector. On this note, guys, closing the live. Thank you so much for participating and coming in to learn, to make a difference to your money life. Keep coming back and we will keep having newer and newer conversations each day. Take charge, stay safe, and I see you on Tuesday for the decoding of the ET Wealth newspaper. Yes, Nidhi, auto 12% hit. Take charge, everyone. Bye-bye. Stay safe.